Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we have a product unboxing. The product is a JessEm tools, the brand new stainless steel Dowelling Jig. This is the weekend hobbyist package that can be purchased on their website or on Amazon.com. Hey everybody, let's get it started. So before we start, just something I noticed. If you look at this label, it said it's shipped from Canada. It seems like that's their headquarters location. Ships to FBA JessEm Tool Corporation in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I think that's Amazon warehouse. So I think this product, what JessEm is doing is they are warehousing their product at Amazon. So the product shipped directly from Amazon and I got it in 2 days. As of today, this is in October 2003, this is the only kit that shipped directly from Amazon. This is the weekend hobbyist package. It comes with a mounting plate, which is shown here, and it comes with 3 different setups for 3 different size dowels. The 3/8, the 1/4 inch, and the 1/2 inch. Okay, so let's check this out. Let's open this model 08359. This is a brand new tool from JessEm Tools. So really quick before we pop this box open, disclaimer, I already opened this, obviously, because I get excited as soon as I get a product, but this is the second opening, so things aren't exactly the way it is when it came. I just kind of just threw everything back in the box and then I'm popping it open again for video. So you get a warranty card. I'm gonna eventually fill this out later. You get some instructions, which nobody reads. I don't read instructions. You get, see these have fallen out already. These are the indexing pins right here. And immediately I noticed that they're very solid, like they're heavy. I bought some, I returned it just earlier today, but I bought a cheap China-made Dowelling Jig from Amazon, and everything is cheap. It's really cheap, lightweight aluminum. It doesn't inspire any content. This is really heavy. It's steel and it's very nicely machined. So this is one of the indexing pins. I'll show you later. You get a wall mounting bracket. So I guess stuff was sliding around. So the rest of the pins are in here somewhere, but they've been sliding around. So this is the wall mounting bracket. It mounts this way against your wall. The screws go through here and all the brackets are gonna sit up here. I'll put it together later. There are 2 boxes. Okay, there's this box. Okay, in this box is one of the plates. This is for the 1-inch dowel. It's very well machined. So I'll go into detail later with the other plates. So this is the 1-inch one, and this one is going to be the this is the 1/2 inch one. So as you can see, it's very beautifully machined, very high quality, because these things need to be very accurate so that we can index and have a consistent measurement for this. So not only does the machining, the cutting, I imagine this is laser cutting, not only does that have to be accurate, but also the laser engraving has to be very accurate as well. So here are the 2 guide plates. Here's the rest of the dowelling pins. So here we have the 1/2 inch dowelling pin. Here we have the 1/4 inch dowelling pin. And here we have the 3/8. And 3/8 is the one I'm probably gonna use the most. Very good quality, very heavy. And it's not that they're heavy and that makes it high quality, but just the machining of it is very clean and sharp. There's no machining marks or edges left over. It's cleanly machined and cleanly cleaned up, I guess. All right, so here's the Dowelling Jig. That's it for, there's nothing else in the box, but it came very nicely packaged. I threw a couple of foam pieces away and I couldn't get them back for this video. So again, I popped open the box already last night, and today is threw it back in. Today's a little official YouTube unboxing. So here is our jig, the 3/8 jig, along with the angled bracket that we use. So also this unboxing is just unboxing. I'm not gonna use it in this video. That's gonna be another video. Gotta save up, you know. I got this tool. I paid $100 something. We're saving it. We're milking it. We're milking it, baby. So check this out. Ooh, that's a beautiful piece. Look at how it just reflects in the light. Let's enjoy it. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful, well-machined piece. Complete 180 from the cheap Chinese-made Dowelling jig that receives absolutely zero quality control, which was not accurate, by the way. So I purchased like a $30 one. They're all pretty much the same off of Amazon. And I wanted to see how accurate it was. And it turned out I could not get it to be accurate because I think one of the laser etched machining lines were off. That's what it seemed like. It wasn't dead center, and so everything didn't come out, you know, aligned at all. So this one, as you can see, when it indexes, let's try to index it again. So this is the knob you screw. Let's unscrew it. It brings that lever out, and you can index it. And let's put it right here, and let's just see if it lines up with a laser engraved mark. So what this is showing me is that the machining, the laser cut metal is precise, and it's just as precise as the laser etched engravings. So this is very difficult for them to do, and that's what makes the tool so valuable and so accurate. So it does line up. It indexes perfectly on that line. So we know this is pretty good. We can check everything, but you know, I'm pretty sure it is. It's good, okay? So as you can see, very nice hardware, very well engineered. Okay, on the back, this holds it in. This is where the pivot is. That's when I'm opening it. The screw brings it out, and now we can move this. If I take out, shoot, if I take out that nut right there, we have just this angled bracket. And so the way this works is that if I want to use a different size dowel, say this 1/2" dowel, I put this here, okay? I re-index it. Let's say I'm gonna put it at 1/2 for whatever reason, just arbitrary number that's already there, okay? Tighten it down. As you can see, these teeth are going to sit right in those grooves perfectly, and it is perfectly aligned on the laser engraved mark. And this one goes in here to hold it tight and steady, and we're ready to rock. Ready to rock. So this is the 1/2" one. So very high quality piece. This right here is the measurement from, I imagine, here to here, and also between the lines, between the holes, the centers of the holes. So for any kind of reference. So here we see the same thing. So from the edge to the center of that hole is gonna be a 1/2, and from center of hole to center of hole, and that's gonna be 3/4. All right, they also give you this measurement, 1 3/4, from the center line here, all the way to the edge here. So that's nice to have, so you know the precise measurements. So when you're doing your doweling, you can reference these measurements and measure out accordingly. So here is that 1/2" dowel. Let's take the 1/2" dowel pin. No, that must be the 3/8, my bad, 3/8. So let's take that 3/8 dowel pin, and it goes plop right in there, nice and flush. See, no play at all. I can wiggle it, you don't hear any play. Okay. Very well, precise, machined piece that you're getting. So here's the 3/8 one. Let's do another change out. Here's the 1/2 inch. Again, this is just an unboxing. I just want to show you this so you know what you're buying. You can buy with confidence. I have confidence in this product, which means that I'm not going to second guess my piece. If I make a mistake and my piece doesn't come out the way I wanted it to, it's my damn fault, not because the tool sucks. So let's open this up again. This is like a work of art. Oops, I keep dropping this. I'm gonna break it one day. Maybe not. Maybe not. So, pull this out. This is really a piece of art. This is really a piece of art. Look at that. Okay, here's the angled bracket by itself. I believe they sell a 45-degree bracket as well, so you can do mitered edges, I imagine. I have yet to even use this, so I have no idea. It's just the unboxing. I'm gonna bust it out and use it right after this. I haven't used it yet because it's just, I'm not gonna want to make this video. I'm not gonna, the boxes are gonna be thrown out. The tool's gonna be dirty. Okay, put back, okay, indexing. It's a beautiful tool. So you can close up with the machining marks. Sorry, the machining pattern. Beautifully machined, beautifully put together. So here's a viewfinder. Okay, this is aligned with the center line. All right, so beautiful. Okay, so these are the pieces so far. Also, you get this wall bracket. This wall bracket is a very nice piece. So this is a very affordable price in my opinion. I paid, I believe, see, I keep saying the wrong prices on YouTube. I believe this is $130, but again, don't quote me because I'm an idiot and it's probably wrong. But I think I paid $130, but either way, it's a good freaking deal. So this wall bracket, you mount on your wall, and you could put in these pieces like that, and it holds it nice and organized for you. And this goes right here. I have yet to mount it or use it, so don't expect any feedback based off of that, but just the quality of the piece as an initial impression, it is beautiful, beautiful. I want to hang this in my living room. That's how beautiful it is. Look at that. Look at that. It's like, see my watch right there? Look at this. It's the same stuff, man. This is just a beautiful piece, and I think at $130, if this does what it does, which is drill some damn dowels, this is a hell of a value. This is a beautiful piece. Okay, so good job to JessEm Tools. I assume it's just as accurate. I assume it's perfectly accurate. Okay, there's no way this is not gonna be accurate. So, assuming that it is accurate, this is a beautiful tool. For $130, you're getting a heck of a value. I'm gonna use it right after I turn off this camera, and then I'll make a video coming soon. Thank you for tapping in. Bye-bye.